democracy and ever-changing views and computer terminology. Commodore's news. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.
Hi, I'm Graham. Welcome back to the Commodore Cave. I haven't put out any videos for a little while, and I only do so when I've got something that I think is interesting and worth reporting on. Today we're going to do something a little different with the amazing Mega65 computer. I regularly use my Commodore 64 to visit the old bulletin board systems that are still running. I'm going to see if I can get my Mega65 to go online. I know it comes built in with Ethernet, but I'm going to try it old school. I'm going to try using the same system, hardware and software, that I have on my Commodore 64 computer to see if I can get the Mega65 online. I'm running this through my 64 NIC Plus network card with the Ethernet connection, and through my SD2IEC, which has got all my Commodore 64 software on it, and that's being powered up through my joystick port. While I'm here, I'll mention this really handy HDMI switch. It allows me to share my computer monitor on any one of 3 devices, usually used by my Windows computer. All I need to do is turn on either my Mega65 or my Amiga 4000, and it will automatically switch my Windows monitor to that source. If you need something like this, I thoroughly recommend it. Now, I didn't get a Mega65 to type in Go64 and run it in 64 mode. It'd be foolish to ignore all the amazing Commodore 64 software and hardware peripherals you can use with this computer. I know this is blasphemous, but Go64. No. Now I'm going to load up my menu from my SD2IC, which is device 10 here, so I don't clash with anything else. That just makes it a lot easier to run the program. And I'm using Kipperterm. I'm using the method that Dan Wood recommended way back in 2014. Really well explained. I'll put the link below if you want to follow it. Still slow, so let's fast forward. I'm going to go onto the reliable cottonwoodbbs.org, and it's 6502 port, and we use pesky. Connecting established. Whoa, that's a good start. Return. I can do that. We're connected. Yes, we are. Let's just have a quick look around in here. Note from the previous user. Thanks, Duke. My number is something, and my password is something else. And that should get us in. Aha, it remembers me. Welcome to Cottonwood BBS. If you haven't been on here, take a look at it. Level 4 access, which means everything. That's standard. And let's see, what do we want to do? So now I could post a message, I could read my mail, I could play a game, I could download or upload some files. Why don't we vote on something? Let's see, what are we going to vote on today? Don't know. We're going to vote on today. Should daylight saving be abolished? Ah. I think I've just blown away daylight saving in the US. If you're still watching at this point, how about clicking that like button now? It really does help the channel, and it promotes it with other people interested in Commodore computers. Well, let's have a read of the messages. 12 new messages since last time I was on here. Starting with message 10,204. It's a pretty active board. There's usually something going on here. While it's mostly focused on Commodore computers, it's not just that. you quite often get any retro computers or chit chat about local holidays or the weather at the time. Still lots of sharing of software, games and art. Post a message. Yeah, I'm going to post a message. Post. Private message. Nope. Everybody can read this. Start a new subject. Yep. What's your subject about? Hello from a Mega 65 Computer. That's me. Right, that's it. I will just, and messages sent and stored, and now anyone hopping on will be able to read it and respond if they want. Right, I'm hopping off now. So log off, yes, leave note. We'll say see you for now, and we get a nice little ASCII graphic at the end of it. Hang on, what's going on? Oh, lucky, disconnected. I really do enjoy visiting these old BBS sites, just as they were back in the 80s and long before we had the internet. And let me know if you've done anything interesting with your Mega 65. And thank you Kooky Tech for the inspiration from your original YouTube video. If you want more information, don't forget to check out the links in my comments and keep an eye out for my pre-Christmas YouTube. Thanks for watching, and until next time, from the Commodore Cave, see ya. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.